Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency the President.
Your Excellency, sir, you are most welcome to the Mechanized Warfare College, Kalama, on this occasion of the pass out of Armor Platoon Command, Armor Technical, and Armor Basic Crew courses. It is our pleasure to have you here today, as always, to preside over this pass out, because it is during such occasions that we benefit from your wise counsel and guidance as trainers, and also the trainees get an opportunity to interface with you, the Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF, before being deployed.
Your Excellency, today we have witnessed another level of firepower in our country. The precision we have just witnessed a few minutes ago speaks volumes. And it is my humble request that we maintain it. And it is our responsibility, all of us, right from the highest up to the lowest, and even build more on what we have just witnessed.
In 6 months, mastering this equipment of tanks in the 4 courses that have been mentioned here. I want to congratulate you and pass you out today. As I told your commanders, war is an old science and an old art. It's both art and science. Science in the form of the equipment used, but art in the way you organize it and then in the way you utilize the equipment. So therefore, don't charm men on tanks. Don't think that tanks alone are a solution in war. You must package. We were talking about it. Your commanders will tell you how we are going to handle it. So I congratulate you. The modernization of UPDF is continuing. But as the Deputy CDF told you, those 2 words, loving yourself so that you don't die from diseases, from alcohol, from drugs, other problems, so that you remain healthy. But as he told you, loving your equipment, that was very, very precise. Because if you do not look after your equipment well, and especially if you are corrupt and you sell the lubricants, you sell the fuel, you sell the lubricants, when war comes, you will die. Because the tank will not help you. So, I congratulate you. I congratulate the army. I congratulate the training team and you for doing a good job. Thank you, congratulations, and God bless you.
In 1908, Lieutenant Irene Baruka.